The most significant benefits of the 3300 platform for us here at Toyota Production Engineering is literally the reliability, the redundancy in the heads. I speak for everybody that's ever ran an FDM machine. You lose the single head, you're done for the day. With the 3300, I don't have that problem. That bad head goes back in, the new head switches out, and there's redundancy built in. We were impressed when we first got the machine with the lightning speeds. When we actually saw prints, over 45% difference between our 900 counterpart and the 3300, it amazed us. Plus, the density you could achieve with the 3300 was amazing. So another advantage of the 3300's abilities is the multi-layer technology. I'm able to print really fast speeds and not worry about the resolution down low, but when I get to my end part, I can dial that resolution so there's minimal finish work. A great benefit of the 3300 is that it auto-calibrates. It's made our life so much easier. It just does it for you. Every print, it verifies that it's in calibration, which we really truly like because we know every time we're gonna get a good result.